How to deploy a React app for free. Go to your React app root location. Now log into your GitHub account and create a new repository. Open your terminal or CMD from the React app root location. Type this command to initialize your app to GitHub. Type this command to add all project file to GitHub. Type this command to link your local GitHub and remote repository. Type this command to upload all project files to remote repository. You can see, now all files are uploaded successfully. Go to Google and search render.com. Create an account and go to Dashboard. Click on New button. Click Static Site. Now connect your repository to Render account. Click on Configure account. Don't change anything in this section. Now click on Create Static Site. It will take some time to deploy React app. When all deployments have been completed successfully, the status changes to live. Now you can access web page using this URL. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.